Good afternoon. This is Dr. Tapiwa Mashakada. You may have read the Herald story, which they say abductions are fake, and Dr. Mashakada is also confirming that abductions are fake. That's not true. I still maintain that all abductions that have been reported must be thoroughly investigated and the culprits brought to book. I have not spoken to the Herald about issues of abductions. It is their own distortions. I believe in the stories that have been reported by those who have been abducted, namely Joanna Mamombe and the two girls, as well as Dr. Magombei's story. I cannot be naive to just think that abductions are not taking place when there are people, living examples of people who have been abducted and tortured. So the Herald story is malicious and very fake. Please ignore that story. I still believe that human rights abuses must be investigated and abductions and torture must stop. I thank you.